Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queens. We are going to take our owl that has been sitting with air dry clay for over 24 hours. What we did was we used a styrofoam ball and then we outlined that with some aluminum foil to get the shape for our ears. And then we outlined that in air dry clay. We let that sit for at least a day. And now we're taking some antique wax, some paint, some distress ink, and we are getting this looking as old and rusty and crusty as we can. We did a ghost and we did a full live video on that, so you can see this process from start to finish, but I had done the owl as well and I wanted to get him done so that I could display him. So I'm just using some blending tools and really getting some different colors in this owl. And we're going to give him a good dry. We're going to make him a bow tie with like a bronzy button, and we're going to sit him on top of a yogurt jar that's painted black with this little bow tie, but you could put him on a candlestick, some sort of stand, something like that. I used some browns. I think this little owl would turn out so cute done up in the steampunk style. He's halfway there. He just needs like the little goggles and a hat, or the thing that goes around the one eye, and a couple gears or something. I mean, he is just so stinking cute. There's so many ways you could do him up. But I really enjoyed playing with clay and getting to make this little guy up. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.